Assalamualaikum, sir. Today I will present about electrical drive control as assignment. My name is Nurul Shahira bin MZ. Next,
My name is Shahira Betty Zamri.
next.
Okay, my name is Ratu Shakira binti Shakirin. Okay, for the introduction, the motor that first emerged is the DC motor. DC motor early one can realize the speed control the motor. The DC motor have temperatures of variable torque or RPM and are used equally in variable speed drive. DC motor are not ideal for high speed application because it is and it need more maintenance for maintenance and than AC motor. Next is for Shahira.
Okay, thank you, Shakira. Okay, for the result, they have two parts, which is simulation and calculation. For simulation, they have three parts, which is dynamic performance during starting, dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque, and lastly, dynamic performance during sudden change in amateur. This is the MATLAB editor which contain non-element which VA, VF, RA, RF, LA, LF, LAF, J and B. For part 1, make sure to set up the torque 0 and M and the time is 1 second. There have three mathematical model. First is mathematical model amateur current, mathematical model field current and mathematical model rotor speed. Then go to amateur part which contain IA and VA. This is the result of IA and this is the result of VA. Then go to field part which contain IF and VF. This is the result of measurement IF. And this is the result of measurement VF. And then go to the last part which contain developed torque, load torque and rotor speed. First, as you see, this is the measurement of developed torque. Then, this is the measurement of load torque. And lastly, this is the measurement of rotor speed. Then for part 2, set up the torque 2 Nm and the time is 4 seconds. Then go to amateur part which contain IA and VA. This is the measurement of IA and this is the measurement of VA. Then go to field part which contain IF and VF. This is the measurement of IF and this is the measurement of VF. Then go to the last part which contain developed torque, load torque and rotor speed. This is the measurement of developed torque. This is measurement of load torque. And this is measurement of rotor speed. For part 3, change VA to 120 volt. The load torque is maintained to Nm as part 2. We go to the armature part, which contain IA and VA as before. This is the measurement of IA, and this is the measurement of VA. Then go to field part, which contain IF and VF. This is the measurement of IF, and this is the measurement of VF. And the last part, which contain developed torque, load torque, and the rotor speed. This is the measurement of developed torque. This is the measurement of load torque. And last part is the measurement of rotor speed. That's all of simulation, and we go to the calculation. They have 3 parts of calculation, which is part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, I will pass it to Shakira.
Okay, for the discussion, the aim of this assignment is to make sure students can familiarize some basic features from the simulating, and they can demonstrate the modeling approach capability to electrical drive. Okay, for dynamic during performance during starting, okay, we can say the result of BEE is different from calculation and simulation. For the calculation, we get 0.0126 Newton meter, while the simulation we get 2 Newton meter. But at rest of the result is same. It will be same for the performance during sudden change in log torque. The result is same by the calculation and the simulation. It also same for the dynamic performance during sudden change in armature voltage with load torque. It also same result for the simulation and calculation. We can conclude of this part, the simulation, and if the simulation and the calculation is same, it means the result is correct. Okay, next I pass to Nurul Shahira.
Thank you, Sadato. Okay, for the conclusion, students are able to create a model and simulate a DC motor drive in flat simulating environment, which is mathematical model armature current, mathematical model current, and mathematical model to rotor speed. This model was successfully simulated using MATLAB Simulate. Next, students are able to analyze and observe the motor steady states and dynamic performance by varying the motor input parameters such as the armature voltage, field current, and load torque with calculation and simulation. There are 3 parts which is dynamic performance during starting, dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque, and dynamic performance during sudden change in armature voltage. In this part, students are able to compare the result for the calculation, simulation, and also plot successfully the IA, VF, rotor, speed, TE, TI, VA, and VF. That's all from this presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.